For those of you that have been following us for a while, you would have seen our video on Australia Day long weekend where we went to McIntyre's hut and the place had been trashed, there was rubbish everywhere, graffiti all over the hut. Now we haven't even got that far into the Brindabella Ranges today, and we're here at Flea Creek where it's obvious that people have been doing skids. I mean, there are puddles here where people have been tooted up with their tyres. This is the reason why national parks get closed, guys. Like, you can clearly see the spray where people have been flicking it around and doing doughies. So I'll get some extra footage and tack it on the end of this. But guys, this is why places get closed. You can't say, oh, everywhere's closed without, you know, taking some accountability. Like seriously, clean your act up.